Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The Mississippi River Trail is beside one of the most important waterways in North American history. The Mississippi River stretches more than 2,300 miles from Minnesota to the Gulf of Mexico, and New Orleans sits near its powerful final bend. This section of the trail follows the river's levees and riverfront paths, offering wide views of the water that shaped the city's past and still drives its economy today. Long before European settlement, indigenous peoples used these natural ridges along the river for trade, fishing, and transportation. Their roots laid the groundwork for what would later become a global port city. New Orleans was founded in 1718 by Jean-Baptiste Le Moyne de Bienville, chosen for its strategic position along the river. From the very beginning, the Mississippi served as the city's main artery, carrying goods, people, and ideas between the interior of the continent and the wider world. As we pedal along the river, you may notice massive cargo ships passing by. The Port of New Orleans remains one of the busiest ports in the United States, moving everything from grain and steel to coffee and petroleum. This tradition of river commerce dates back to the 19th century, when steamboats crowded the waterfront and transformed New Orleans into a booming trade hub. During the American Civil War, control of the Mississippi River was crucial. In 1862, Union forces captured New Orleans, cutting off a major supply route and marking a turning point in the conflict. The riverbanks we're riding beside were once lined with fortifications, shipyards, and warehouses supporting the war effort. The levees that guide much of today's trail are the result of centuries of engineering. Major floods, including the Great Mississippi Flood of 1927, reshaped how the river is managed. These flood control systems protect the city while also creating long, open corridors that are now used for recreation and transportation. In more recent history, Hurricane Katrina in 2005 highlighted both the power of the river and the importance of resilient infrastructure. Since then, New Orleans has continued to strengthen its flood defenses while expanding public access to the riverfront.